Okay, guys, let's continue where we stopped. So in the previous lesson, we learned how to sign up, then sign into ArcGIS Online and create a dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and we need to polish and put some contents and information into it. So at the top left, we have a button, Home, and we have already discussed this one. If you want to go to Home, to the default page of your ArcGIS Online, you can press this one. And if you want to go to the content page where you will insert and import the data files, the geospatial data files that you have or the layers that you have already created, you can import from this page. For example, you see you can add your items from your computer or from your URL, or either you can create your own layers. Then you can insert it into your dashboard. Let's go back. So the second organization, we have already discussed this one. If you want to go to the dashboards page, you can press on this button, dashboard. Here is your dashboards, all the dashboards that you have already created. So our dashboard is this one, updated COVID-19 dashboard. You can either view it. So in case of view, you cannot edit your dashboard. So we can click edit to go inside your dashboard, and as well as if you want to edit your dashboard profile, you can go to this page. So here you will put some comments about your dashboard, or you want to put some additional descriptions into your dashboard, or you can share. This is a policy of you sharing your dashboard. So right now it's honor. Right now I can have access to my dashboard. If I put it everyone, so everyone will have access to your dashboard, or either you can choose organization. The member of your organization will have access to your dashboard. Let's go back. If I suppose to publish my dashboard on the web, so it won't have any header bar. So it's better to give it a nice header bar. You can click this button, header. So this is our header bar. You want your header to be in a small font size, or medium, or large. So we prefer medium one. So the title of your header is this one. By default, it takes from the name of your dashboard. So if it is okay for you, then keep it. So if you want to put some subtitle, which will be appeared here. So for example, you write down the year 2021. If you want to put icons into your dashboard, you can put icons. So here are the available icons within your dashboard. For example, I want to put this one. You see it appeared here. You can change the color of the icon. The red is okay. And if you want to put some pictures or icons from the web, you can put the URL of that. And regarding the text, I want to change the text. For example, this color, or the blue one, dark blue. You can manipulate. You can change the text colors from here. I already want to change the background. You're free. You can change. You can put any color you want. Simply, we created the header bar for our dashboard. So we press on done button. Now it appears here. So regarding these options, we will study it one by one once we imported the map. So this is a save. Now I have created this one, the header panel. I need to save it. Now it is saved. If I want to save it as by another name, you can choose this option, save as. For example, the copy of that one, the same qualifications, the same information. You can press save. Now we have a duplicate of our dashboard. We can access it again. Go to the dotted icon for this button, dashboard. Now here we have the duplicate of our dashboard. Simply we can delete it. We don't need it. And close this one. Okay, let's edit it again. Here we are. This is a setting for your dashboard. You can play it around. For example, I want my dashboard to have a dark color, or the text color should be, for example, white, completely white. The background color, for example, this one, black. You can change it and you can play it around. Now it looks nice. I can save it, or I can change the dim from here as well. I want the light one. No, I want a dark one. So the dark is okay. Here you can access this your dashboard. This is the URL for your dashboard. You can copy it and go to the URL, paste your URL here. You see, you can have your dashboard access through the URL. Okay, let's explore more options. So here we have the side panel, the map, serial chart, pie chart, indicator, gauge, and these icons. So we'll study it one by one. If I go to the map, here we will get nothing. Why? Because I haven't created or imported any map which contains the COVID-19 country-based case information. So first we need to import the map from the Living Atlas page. Doing so, close this one, go to the home button, click on the content button here. It will navigate you to this page. So we have covered this one, right? So click on the map. From this page, we import here. Through this button, we import layers, the COVID-19 layers from the Living Atlas. As we studied in the previous lecture, Living Atlas is a cool web page of Esri, which holds collection of geographic information from around the world. It includes maps, layers, apps, and data layers to support your work. Regarding to the COVID-19 country-based information, we have two alternatives: either to have the COVID-19 case data in our hand, and we simply insert it into the ArcGIS Online, then we can access it in our dashboard, or we can get the available data in the form of layers from the Living Atlas. So in our case, because I don't have the COVID-19 country-based information or data, so I prefer to get help from the Living Atlas. And the beauty for the Living Atlas data is that its information is being updated automatically. So here, click on this button, and here we search for the COVID-19 layer. Simply we write down coronavirus COVID-19 and the cases. Here we go. This is the layer that we want. It is created by CSSE GIS and data. So simply we click into this link, and we add this layer on the top of our map. Add to the map. Here we go. Now the layer is available on our map. So close this one. Here is our data. We go to the content page. By inserting the layer, we got these four informations: the date information, the cases information, the country-based information, and the case states information based on each states of the countries. So if you click on one of these, for example, I want to see where is this country. Okay, Colombia, for example. So a pop-up message will be shown here that will give you all information, all the available information about that specific location. Okay, if I want to get information about, for example, this country, about Uzbekistan, so you will see country name is Uzbekistan, and last update is this date, and here we have the latitude and longitude information, confirmed cases, deaths, covered, active, and blah blah. And as well as we can change the base map of our map. So here we have different options. I prefer this one. Here we go. Now the layer is available, and again let's click on this one. So this is this place in Russia, I don't know. So United States, okay, let's click on it. So this is Alaska. For example, if you want some of these information not to be shown when you click on any circle. Okay, for example, let's click on this one. Okay, this is a province state in India. So for example, I don't want these information to be shown because I don't know what are these. So I want a specific information, for example, the province, the country, last update, latitude, longitude, and confirmed cases, recovered date, active, and country. That's it. I don't want all these informations. For example, I don't want these information to be shown. How can we do that? So here we have option for that. Simply click on this button, dot button, configure pop-up, configure attributes. Here we have the options. So all these information will be shown. So I want this one and this one. Okay, this is good. People that they are in hospital. So, and as well as I don't want this one to be shown. Okay, if IPS, click OK. Okay, the same for cases. Configure pop-up, attributes. I don't want these one. Okay, and for the country-based information as well, configure pop-up, configure attributes, ISO 3, UID 3, and what was that? That's it, I think. Okay, and the country state-based information, configure attributes, same issue here. Okay, now save it. Now if you click on any of these information, for example this one, so you see the attributes that you unchecked will not be appeared here. Same goes here. Now our layers are available. We can insert this layer into our dashboard by simply, first we need to save it, give it a name, for example COVID-19 layer, copy, and the same tag, press the tab button in your keyboard. If you want to give it a good description, you're free. Save in a folder. Okay, no problem. Save map. Now we go to our dashboard, home button. contents. For example, we go back, dashboards, and I don't need actually this one. I had already created this one. I don't need it. Let's delete it. So our dashboard is this one, updated COVID-19 dashboard. Click on this one and this small icon, update. Now we can access our layer from here. Click on the map. Now you see we have a layer appeared. Click into it. It's better, just click all these informations. It will give you extra features, and that's it. You see, the layer has appeared into our dashboard. You can zoom out, zoom in, and zoom in, zoom out, drag any place you want, and pop up an information that you want, and choose any place, information for any place. Click on any point. It will give you the whole information. This is state and China. It's located in China. Updated date, latitude, longitude, confirmed cases, recovered, death, active, and the rest of information. Here are more. Simply click on save button. Now our layer is saved, and on the next lessons we will explore these buttons, and we will create some charts and indicators, legends, and some other stuffs. See you then.